Stacey Solomon has showed off a dramatic home transformation after spraying her charity shop hall with paint. The Loose Women presenter, 32, loves to wow fans with her amazing creations on Instagram. 6. Stacey Solomon proudly showed off her amazing DIY transformation after spraying charity shop finds with paint. Credit, Instagram. 6. The charity hall bits look totally different after a lick of spray paint. Credit, Instagram. Stacey took to her social media to show off her latest DIY creation for her dressing room. The TV star told her 3.2 million followers, "I thought I'd show you my little charity shop haul even though nobody asked. I bought these for the dressing room because I just really wanted to finish it in there, but I didn't have enough accessories. I know they look really random at the moment, but I think once they're painted they'll go really nicely in there." She captioned the post, "Just used some spray paint I had in the garage. If I had more tones I would have done more, but this is all I had. It's so easy and quick. Spray painting, my favorite thing. It just instantly transforms things. I trust do a pebble effect spray paint, so I used my smooth one first, then the pebble one on bits, and it looks so nice." Stacey then shared a day before and after snap of her creation. She told her fans, "The pictures don't do them justice, they look so lovely. Now to finally finish the dressing room." The X Factor star definitely loves a bargain, as just a few days ago she revealed her daring new plum hair color, which only cost her £5. Since moving into her £1.2 million Essex home with her family last year, Stacey has been busy totally transforming it. Last week she proudly showed off her bathroom transformation as she turned the ensuite into Jurassic Park-themed room for son Rex, 2. It came weeks after the supermom built a Cluedo Games room for fiancé Joe Swash's 40th birthday. Stacey and Joe, who got engaged in December 2021, share Rex and Rose. The presenter is also mom to Zachary, 13, and Layden, 9, from previous relationships. Joe also shares his oldest son Harry, 16, with ex-Emma Sophocleus, 35. 6. The mom of 5 showed fans how she transformed her charity finds. Credit, Instagram. 6. Stacey showed off her new hair color last week, which cost her just £5. Credit, Penelope Rianne Beauty /Instagram. 6. The TV star recently gave Joe's games room a makeover. Credit, Instagram. 6. Stacey has always been a fan of home DIY.